I met with the homeowners, Robin and Mike, to select both the supplier and the type of fixtures that would provide both desirable illumination and period authenticity. When it came to selecting the fixtures, we wanted to have a coordinated and vintage look throughout, and Kichler lighting and ceiling fans met those needs perfectly. Kichler is renowned for its award-winning quality and craftsmanship and offers extensive suites and coordinated products that allow transforming any space into a stunning setting. And in our case, with fixtures that were also reminiscent in every respect to the early 1900s.
Thanks for the call, Sandra. There's more help for your home on the house after this. Welcome to the On the House studio and workshop. When Brother Morris and I aren't out banging nails helping folks convert their home improvement dreams into reality, we're doing it on radio every week for 32 years. When it came to the 604 2nd Street historic renovation and lighting, we knew that the lighting had to be good, that it had to be energy efficient, and that it had to be beautiful. And we got all of that and more with Kichler.
Lighting was a real challenge to keep the period of the home all together. So look up. Don't you love this? Isn't that reminiscent of the 1900s? In the bedrooms, because of the heat, circulation in the house and cooling, the homeowner opted for fans in all of the bedrooms. This is a lighted fan, fits the period. In the bathroom, because of the plumbing fixture finishes, it was a little more challenging. We're using chrome in here, so I opted for satin nickel or brushed nickel in here. To the laundry room, where lighting is truly important, I opted for something that is probably more contemporary, but sort of gets lost in the ceiling. And this is a great LED fixture, but terrific light, again from Kichler.
The lighting is just, it's beautiful. We have the Kichler lighting throughout, and it totally fits the look of the house. They're beautiful, makes the period of the home just perfect.
So if you're a homeowner exploring lighting solutions for your home, or if you're a builder looking for the best to deliver to your clients, visit Kichler.com or follow them on social media.